Welcome to the ShaLaw Contact Management Center, part 4 of 4 on how to use the rate calculator. This time, we're going to ship a load from Vernon, California to Yakima, Washington, using the per 100 rate or CWT calculation. This is usually used when shipping new steel or any commodity where the shipper is willing to pay you so much per 100 weight of what you're hauling. We will choose Vernon, California from the list here, Vernon, California, and it's going to Yakima, Washington. The mileage did not default, so we'll hit the arrow on the map. Google Maps says it's 1,041 miles. Make sure I'm reading that right. 1,041 miles, a 16-hour drive. So we will shrink this out of the way. And we'll type in 1,041. The shipper is paying per CWT. The CWT frame opens up, usually 48,000 pounds on average. They're going to pay $8.25 per 100 weight, which is per CWT. There's no bonus involved, and there is a $40 minimum amount. This is just the amount you'll get. They're going to load you up with at least $48 on your trailer. We'll get the rate. They're going to pay you, this shipment is worth $3,960 for the shipper. I've got a minimum load amount of $50. This is not Sapphire, so we won't choose it. We'll have the computer calculate the rate, and it comes up with $3,603.80 flat. This is going to yield us a bill to shipper of $3,960, posted carrier rate of $3,603.60, a carrier invoice of $3,531.53, and the factoring company is going to deposit $3,564 into our account after the transaction is completed. This is going to yield us an instant profit of $32.47, and after shipper profit of $198 for a total profit of $230.47. This is a $3.46 carrier rate per mile and a $3.80 shipper rate per mile, yielding a commission, a 50% commission of $115.24. Let's save this calculation. We won't send it to the load manager, but what we will do is export this. So anything that you check in the list can be exported. We'll choose the Sapphire lumber filtration. We'll refresh. As we can see, there are no one's entered any rate calculations for Sapphire. So we'll use the clear button to clear the list and refresh. So the only load we have here is, oh, well, we didn't even pick a shipper. So we will check it and we'll export this to shipper. We get to choose a directory where we want the file to be created. We are going to put it in the budgets folder. We'll hit the save button. And as you can see, it's telling you exactly where it went and what the file name is called. It's called Rate Calculate List Shipper, and it's an Excel spreadsheet. So you can go to your file folder. We'll find that particular folder. It's called ShaLaw Logistics Budgets, and it was called Rate Calc Shipper List Shipper. We'll double click that, and let's see what we've got. Okay, we'll say yes, we trust the file. It's a good Excel format. So as you can see, that we didn't pick a company. The date was created. We'll double click that so it expands out. Here's the origin city state, the destination city and state. The mileage is here. The shipper rate was flat. The total shipper rate and any accessorial charges that we were charged are broker fees. So you'd send this to the shipper, letting them know this is what you'll ship their cargo for. We won't save that. Close that out. We'll close the file. And that ends part 4 of the series. So we've covered all of the information that we wanted to in the rate calculation screen. Thanks for watching.